Hey folks, I'm Bill Langer. You're watching Traditional Adventures TV, and this is part 2 of Ben's Forge project. He's going to tell us a little bit about it today, and hope you enjoy. Okay, Ben, tell me about this forge you built.
So this is where the coals are going to be going, or where the coal is going to be going. And it needs air, so I welded a pipe to it. Now this vacuum is going to push the air into here where the coal is going to be, and it's going to make it burn hot.
All right, show me how it works. Now what are you doing, Ben?
I'm putting coals in the can so I can put it in the forge.
Okay. Oh, we're getting smoke in the house. We better head down.
Yeah.
So what do? You get the wood going, and then you get the coal on top of that?
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess that works pretty good, huh? Well, if the boy doesn't burn the house down, I guess he'll be doing well. See what happens. Pretty amazed at what these kids come up with. It's pretty good. I never would have thought of that at his age, but no, nothing constructive like this, anyways. What's that now?
This is a coal.
I gotta say, I'm impressed. That's pretty good. How much coal do you add?
A few scoops.
Now, how long will this have to burn until it's ready to forge?
It just depends on the color of the core.
What color does it have to be?
Like white or bright yellow.
Wait, let me carry.
Quit fooling around. You gotta bring in more wood.
What?
Yeah, that's a pretty good job. Now that we're home because of this coronavirus, I got them working all the time, which is good. Brought in a bunch of wood. Now they want to play, I guess. All right, what are you two hooligans doing?
Ben made this. I think it was the first thing that he made. So I was just
What is it?
messing around with it. I think he took a saw blade and just cut it out with his angle grinder and sharpened it a little bit, and then just stuck it into a piece of wood. I think
Nice.
that's what he did. I don't know.
Does it work? Chop something with it. Oh,
This is my actually.
nice. Did you forge that, Garrett?
No, this is a store bought.
Are you sure?
Still works nice. I like this because it's really sharp and it cuts through this wood easily. But I prefer this one. This one's like, look at it. This one's a lot better. Has a grip, rubber grip handle. This is just wood. You get splinters.
Aren't you supposed to have steel toes on when you're handling dangerous tools?
Probably.
Well, what's the deal?
I think this one might be sharper. That's because I dulled this one down.
using it properly?
Yeah, cutting down the trees.
Axe throw.
That worked.
It bounced off, brother.
It still worked though. I still hit it with the front. I got it.
All right, one more shot. Make it work, bro.
No, easily.
Show us how it's done. Garrett the axe
Can we do
thrower.
double hands?
You need more work. So what temperature does that need to be at to be able to actually forge steel, do you know?
I don't really know. I just know by the color. When it's red, yellow, or orange, that's when I normally take it out.
So that was part 2 of Ben's forge build. In part 3, he's going to show us how he actually forges with it. But you get an idea of what he built and how it works. Now we're going to head down my ranch and do a little hog hunting. Some with a crossbow, and then a couple of the guys, the limbs on their bow broke, so they ended up using handguns. Not a lot of B-roll. A couple of the hogs we got after with the guns, we actually just rolled up on while we were out working, collecting firewood or mending fence, and we bumped into them, and the guys got on them. Hope you enjoy.